Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back with the BA XR8. In this video, we're chucking on a GT spoiler. Let's get into it. So, welcome back guys. We're back with the BA XR8. We are going to change the rear spoiler over. Bear with me because in the last episode I explained I'm working with a back disc bulge at the moment. So bit of pain, but we'll work through it. So first up, the reason for the choice of the spoiler, you can see it up the back there, it's already primed, is we raced the State Speed Event series here, and previously we were running the DJR bobtail spoiler, which you can see here. And that doesn't really do much for downforce, and in my category you have to use factory upgrades. So the biggest wing we can go is the GT spoiler from like a GTP or a GT. So here's the spoiler. It comes in a kit, pretty good one actually, would recommend it. I think it's Spoiler Factory I got it from. But yeah, we also have the middle insert, you have the rear brake light, and they even give you a wire to feed it through there when you go to do the electrics. It's just sitting on there at the moment. I got the priming done yesterday and I can show you the rest. So I decided to teach the young fella the process of spray painting, so he did these himself. Not too bad for a first go. Primed, base coat, clear coat. But yeah, thought he could do them to learn it. And here's the center post up here that I did, so they're drying out, but you can come with us to finish up the rest of the spoiler. Guys, we finished up the paint, primer, base coat, and then we did the clear coat. Just gonna wait for a few days for it to dry, and then we get into the brake light where we can do the wiring and bolt it on. Alright guys, welcome back. It's a couple of days later, let the paint and everything dry, and now it's time for the electrics. Now, it's pretty good in this kit. They actually give you the wire and everything you need hardware wise. But yeah, the hard little tricky job. Lucky I got one of my mates to help me out, but you got to get it in this wire up, feed it all the way through there and get it out this little hole, and then you attach the brake light wiring, feed it back through, and you pull it through, and then yeah, we can fit that brake light up, mount it up, and fully assemble it, and then we can mount it on the car. Alright, we got the brake light mounted up, and the wire is coming out, so we can go wire up that brake light, get it mounted up, and be able to fully see what it looks like, and should be finished. Well, it's all mounted up. Check it out. Well, there you have it guys, she's finished. Not my best paint job I've done in the world, but it's pretty much a race car now. I mean, I still drive it on the road, but the paint just needs to be good from about, you know, a few meters back and she's good to go. But back end looks way fatter. How much downforce it will actually give me, yet to be seen. But aesthetically, much better to look at, and it should do something as far as racing goes, because every little bit counts. So yeah, pretty happy with that. So there's another mod done, rear spoiler done. We've got more to go on the Falcon. There's always way more to do on this car, so hopefully get some more mods for you guys soon. We've got suspension, brakes, all sorts of stuff to do. And once again, cheers William for chipping in for that spoiler. But as always guys, thanks for watching. Till the next one, see you later.